How to create an event on Belong. So hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching you how to create an event on Belong. Create an event on Belong. All we need to do right now is open up our Belong right here. So for those who want to create an event, this is how you create an event here on Belong. So create an event here on Belong. Once you open up our Belong right here, you will see in the middle create. Press on the create right there. As a person I create right there, you see right here post, story, and above all the number one that we for this video is event. So here it can arrange in your city, get paid, and bring your passion to life. So now let's get it on event. Then click on get verified. So we're gonna click on get verified. So here all we need to do is we need to get ourselves verified. So once we are verified right here, all we need to do is take a selfie and verify our face. So once we do that right there, we can now set ourselves an event. To set an event, all you need to do is put in like the right there, and people, your friends or whatnot, people can join and come to your event to make I don't know what you're gonna do. Maybe you can do magic or something like that, stand-up comedy or anything or like those, and you will be able to create your dreams come true, having a lot of people watching you, standing in the middle of the stage and looking like I don't know, looking like a person who is doing something. Yeah, there you guys, that's how you create an event here on all this Belong. So there you go guys, hope you guys like the video. Wish you enjoyed. If you have no question, start stop in the comment section below guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible here on how to rock it guys. Anyways guys, there you go guys, and see you in the next one, and bye.